Hey, today I'm going to be talking about physics in the real world and how it relates to you. More specifically, I'm going to be talking about the golden ratio. You might ask, what is the golden ratio? Well, the golden ratio is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. It appears many times in geometry and art and architecture and all this other stuff in the world. And also, fun fact, it's the most irrational number known to man. All right, then to the next topic. Basically, we're going to be talking right now about the golden ratio in architecture. As you can see, the golden ratio is in the Great Pyramid of Giza. In the figure, H is the height of the pyramid and B is half of the length of the base, while A is the height of the triangular face. The ancient Egyptians constructed the Great Pyramids in such a way that the ratio is approximately equal to 1. Next, we have Parthenon. And basically, as you can see, you can also see the golden ratio in this. You can see how each major portion of the design fits in a rectangle or box or red box. And basically, that's how they use the golden ratio to perfectly construct this type of monument. Next, we're going to be talking about the golden ratio in math. As you see right here, Euclid was a person who worked a lot with the golden ratios. He was one of the first persons to write about the golden ratio in a mathematical work entitled Elements. Basically, between the ratio of two numbers x and y and equating that to the ratio of x and x plus y, such lengths will make two triangles similar called golden triangles. And you can see right here, x over y equals y over y plus x. And this is what you get. These are the triangles that you get. They're equal, but not the same size, but their angles all equal. And that is to do with the golden ratio as well. Golden ratio in art. As you see Athena right here, the statue of Athena, when viewed from the side, the golden ratio can be seen, as you see in the picture. One golden ratio is the length from the front head to the opening of the ear compared to the length of the forehead to the chin. And as you can see also, the other ratio is the length of the nostril to the earlobe compared to the length from the nostril to the chin. Also, you can see the golden ratio in the painting Mona Lisa. In this world famous painting, we see each major section divided into accordance to the golden ratio. So far, you can see how the golden ratio has incorporated in many art forms in the world to make these just well-known monumental paintings. So just basically just all these are forms of art, and you can see it in the real world. I love seeing physics in the real world because you can show people you can actually use it. Next, we have the golden ratio in the human body. For your fingers, you can see that the golden ratio matches up with all the bones in your fingers. For example, the red and the yellow, their ratio, the yellow with the green, that's the golden ratio, and the green with the blue, also the golden ratio, and they're all reciprocal of each other. Next, you have the body as well. Just some fun facts about golden ratios in the body. The height and length between wrist and elbow is also a golden ratio. Also, length of the mouth and the width of the nose, that's also a golden ratio. And of course, there's many other golden ratios in the body itself. Basically, you can see that the golden ratio is incorporated in many things I still haven't even touched upon, and will probably forever and ever to create these perfect pieces of art. And basically, humans ourselves, we are perfect pieces of art. If you look at our genetic makeup and just how we're constructed to be just perfectly equal, if you split us in half, that right there is just beauty in itself.